Hey YouTube, just a quick video. I put two things in my vehicle to alleviate some of my paranoia in driving my 2018 Subaru WRX. Now the first one is a travel charm that I got from Japan when I visited a shrine, and this is to protect me from evil and harm while I'm traveling, so it's in my car. The second one is, of course guys, I got me a dash cam. This is from Best Buy. It's about 80 bucks. So the cool thing about Asian vehicles, Japanese vehicles mostly, the battery and everything turns off when you turn the car on. So the car doesn't keep running. So it's more prominent in American vehicles. When you install a dash cam, the dash cam will keep running. So that's the one good thing about Asian vehicles. So I have it installed here. I have the wire running through this. So let's see. There you go. So I just tucked it in this little black trim piece here, and it runs up. And the lighting is going to be kind of bad, so I'll just show you guys here. It kind of runs through the roof, and then I just popped it in through the panel. Goes all the way down there. It gets tucked inside, and then it gets fed under and behind the glove box. So it's behind this, and it runs all the way down to this area, and that's where all the extra cord is. I just have it tucked here, and I zip tied it in a loop, and then I took off this trim. I just pulled it out, and I fed it through a little small hole there. So that's pretty much it. Yeah guys, I learned a lot from tinkering with my 2012 Subaru Impreza hatchback 2.0i, and the layout's pretty much the same. So I'm glad I don't have any wires sticking out, and it's very very low profile, and it's up to the point where not a lot of people can see it. If they're driving in front of you and they look behind, they won't be able to notice it right away. So pretty cool. Yeah, just a quick video guys. My safety charm and my dash cam alleviating some paranoia.